Good afternoon, Western Washington, and happy Wednesday. I'm Matthew Fab with Western Washington Weather, and today we're going to take a look at the interesting forecast for the remainder of today and through tomorrow night, and then we're going to take a look at the potential systems that are moving in over the next few days. So starting here with the UW satellite, you can see all these clouds moving in offshore. These are some isolated showers that could have some thunder and heavy rain in them, and this we should have a lot more of these coming in through the next few hours overnight as well. And then you can see the convergence zone starting here across parts of Snohomish County. That will go through this evening and could bring some nice heavy rain totals and thunder. Taking a look at the radar here, you can see we've got some showers moving in across the Olympic Peninsula and the coast already, and we've got some more stuff moving in offshore. And then we have some of these showers starting across parts of King and Snohomish counties. One produced some lightning strikes there near Stevens Pass, I believe, a few minutes ago here. And you can see these convergence zones are going to be kind of right here across the Everett area and some areas north of Seattle. So taking a look at the overall pattern, we've got a lot of troughing to our northwest here, and that's going to start moving through on today and through Thursday, and that's going to move south and out of the area on Friday. And then we're going to have an atmospheric river that's going to ride up above this ridge here and is going to bring a lot of rain to Vancouver Island. And then as we go through this weekend, as this ridge shifts southward, that atmospheric river is going to bring rain across western Washington on Saturday and Sunday. And then we have to watch this system that's starting to show up on some of the forecasts Sunday midday to afternoon, and that could bring some wind to the area as well before more troughing brings some more showers on Monday. And then we start to dry out for a good portion of next week, it looks like, although it will not be on the warm side. Now let's take a look here at the precipitation forecast. You can see the showers across the area today. These showers really continue all the way through midday Thursday before we have a little bit of a break. It should be a dry start to Friday before this atmospheric river starts bringing a lot of rain to Vancouver Island and some rain to the northern parts of western Washington, especially North Cascades and the coast. And then you can see some light rain for the lowlands. That really continues all the way through midday Saturday there, with that heavy rain at times on the north coast and in the North Cascades and near Bellingham and areas from Everett northward. And then that atmospheric river sags south across western Washington, especially there on Sunday, and that will bring some more widespread rain to the area. In total, we should get a few inches out of this for the Cascades, the Olympics, and the coast, and then 1 to 3 inches for areas from Everett north, and then 1 to 2 inches from Everett southward through the Portland area. And then as we go through Monday, you can see some showers continue before we dry out on Tuesday and stay dry for a little bit. Now let's take a look at the high-resolution rapid refresh potential radar image here. You can see these showers that produce some lightning strikes earlier, and then as we go through this afternoon, you get the convergence zone starting to develop with some showers across parts of the South Sound. And that convergence zone continues. You get some showers there around the Tacoma area, and then some heavy showers move in around 6 p.m. off the coast there, bringing some heavy rain and thunderstorms to the coast, and then Shelton and Olympia, and then it moves through Tacoma and Seattle. Convergence zone continuing across Snohomish County by the time we get to about 9 p.m. and then more heavy showers on the coast. And then we just got more rounds of showers moving through all the way into early Thursday morning. Heaviest there around Whidbey Island and parts of Everett and Snohomish County, it looks like, and then on the coast as well, and that's where this forecast wraps up. Now let's take a look at that atmospheric river we're talking about. Here you see the current of moisture there that is moving through the atmosphere that hits Vancouver Island there on Friday and then starts to sag south across parts of western Washington through the weekend before moving out of the area toward Oregon and weakening. Now in terms of rainfall, you can see the showers and convergence zone today. This goes all the way through Thursday morning before that tapers off, bringing up to a half inch in parts of Snohomish County with that convergence zone, and then a half inch or a little bit more at times on the coast with all those showers moving through. The rest of the area should get a tenth of an inch or so, except for parts of the Cascades will get up to an inch of rain, and some of this could be snow above 4,000 feet or so. And then as we go through Friday, you can see that atmospheric river does start to bring rain to the coast, and then the North Cascades and areas from Everett northward by the time we get to early Saturday. And then as we go through Saturday night into Sunday, you can see that rain continues and picks up some on Sunday across western Washington before tapering by the time we get to Monday evening. Through Monday evening, our totals from Seattle northward should be 2 to 3 inches of rain, most around Bellingham there. And then from Seattle southward, we're looking at about 1.5 to 1 3/4 inches, except up to 2 inches on the Kitsap Peninsula. And then you can see areas on the coast and the Olympics and in the Cascades will get anywhere from 3 to 6 inches of rain and shouldn't get too much snow, as this atmospheric river is on the warmer side. So this is a pretty good amount of rain for only a few days here across western Washington. So stay tuned over the next few days as we talk about this atmospheric river more. Now let's take a look real quick at the potential snow. You can see the showers on the rest of today and on Thursday will bring some decent amounts of snow, especially above 4,000 feet or so. This is going to go through here about Thursday night, and you can see a couple inches potentially at Snoqualmie Pass. That shouldn't be too impactful though. And then up to 5 inches at Stevens Pass, and the same there at White Pass and Chinook Pass. So be prepared for some winter driving conditions if you are on some of those higher elevation passes, and then places like Mount Baker and Paradise and some of the higher ski areas, and then the backcountry, the North Cascades, could get over 5 inches of snow and up to a foot of snow in some of the higher spots like Baker and Paradise and some of the backcountry there. So it will be a quick shot of winter kind of as this snow moves through with these showers moving in. And then as we end here, just want to take a look at the wind forecast from the European model. You can see as we go through Friday evening, we get some wind, these southerlies here ahead of that atmospheric river across parts of Whidbey Island, Admiralty Inlet, Whatcom County there. As we go through Saturday morning, that continues near 50 miles an hour, potentially for Bellingham and parts of Whidbey Island. So it will be pretty windy from Friday afternoon through Saturday morning for parts of northwest Washington there, and then on the coast also near 40 miles an hour. And then one thing to look at here is this system the European model has been picking up on. You can see there, this is 11 a.m. Saturday, and then or Sunday there, and then as we go to about 5 p.m. Sunday, you can see that it brings some 40-mile-an-hour gusts across parts of the Puget Sound area. It's been picking up on a small system moving in Sunday afternoon on the heels of that atmospheric river, and it could be bringing some windy conditions to parts of western Washington, so we need to watch that closely over the next few days. As you can see, this does bring some more 45-plus-mile-an-hour gusts from Everett northward, and then from Everett south through Olympia, 35 to 45 miles an hour, and then 40 to 45 on the coast. So this would be something to watch, as it would be the first storm of the season, but we got a few days to monitor this and see how the models trend, so stay tuned for more on that. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and share these videos. That's the best way to help Western Washington weather grow. Stay tuned, and I'll talk to you all tomorrow.